Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Bangkasi Airport in Butuan. On behalf of our entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Marzan, Captain Alipio, and First Officer Estenar, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipalam sa inyo ng paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po. For guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, kindly leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that an unauthorized
Cabin crew disarm doors for arrival and cross-check.
Be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a serious offense.